Today we're going to show you how to uninstall Linux from a dual-booted Windows machine. Please pay close attention because failure to execute this process correctly could result in damage to your computer. Let's get started. Before we begin removing Linux from your computer, we advise you to back up your files just in case something goes wrong. Now, we will not go through all the ways you can back up your system. That information is very easily accessible online, and it's not necessary to complete the uninstallation process. We do emphasize, however, the importance of having a Windows repair disk in hand before continuing. If you do not have Windows Recovery Disk for some reason, you can easily create one by following these simple steps. First, make sure you have a blank DVD in your disk drive. Next, go to your Start menu and search for Create System Repair Disk. Now, click that link. Now simply click on Create Disk button, and Windows should start making a repair disk for you. After obtaining a repair disk, we are now ready to uninstall Linux from our machine. To do that, first we must delete the partition or the memory allocated to Linux from our computer. To do this, we must first go to the Start menu and search Computer Management, and click on the Computer Management file. This should bring you up to this window, and we want to go to Disk Management. And now you'll be able to see how your computer memory is divided into these partitions. Now we have to figure out which partition belongs to Linux and delete them. Now the easy way to do this is to know that your Linux partitions are unnamed, so we should be choosing the two partitions that are unnamed. And we should right click them and click Delete Volume. You will notice now a chunk of memory is free. At this point, Linux has already been removed from our computer, but we have to do a few extra things to ensure that our computer is functioning. Afterwards, we'll restart your computer. Make sure you have your recovery disk and your CD drive before restarting your machine, seeing that we will need them for your next step. Once you restart your computer, you will notice that it's not booting into Windows like we want it to. That's because we confused the boot process by uninstalling a partition or uninstalling the operating system that it could previously boot into. To fix this, we must boot into the repair disk and follow these instructions. Now you'll be seeing a window that looks like this. Just click Next. Then go to Repair Your Computer. And now you'll see a window that will load. This might take a few minutes, so we'll skip ahead in the video. Okay, now select the operating system that you will be using and click Next. Now go to Command Prompt. Now we're going to type in a few commands here. Well, first command we're going to type here is boot rec /fix mbr. That is boot, BOOTREC, space, /fix mbr. And now we click Enter. Now the next command we're going to type in is bootrec /fix boot. And now we click Enter. Now, we have successfully fixed the boot process. And now we will restart our computer. And congratulations, you have finished the uninstallation process of Linux. And now your computer, once it restarts, should boot right back into Windows like it normally did before Linux has been installed.